Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian, Daniel, and friends. Before I get started, I do want to remind everybody that I am doing the Expanding into the Cosmos with Sacred Geometry, a Healer's Journey on December 29th. That's a 1-hour journey with Daniel with some activation and some next level things that are going to be infused and brought into that journey with us. It's going to be an astro travel into the cosmos, into sacred geometry, all kinds of cool things going on there. That link's down below if you want to check that out. And also on January 18th and 19th, I'll be doing a channeling workshop where you yourself will learn how to channel. It's very interactive, and you can come in at whatever level you're at, whether you've never done it before, or you've been already working with it. And just sign up for the class if you feel called to it. That is going to be one of those wonderful things where we just expand the mind and we learn the light, medium, and deep levels of trance work with the channeling. And we'll work with mediumship and some different things like that. And then we'll also have a bonus section with the light language and healing with light language. So come check that out as well. I'm going to go get Daniel. We're going to have see what he has to say for us about what's going on the planet right now. Okay, so let's go find out what Daniel has to say. Powerful energies have been integrating through your planet for quite some time, several months. You have been integrating these energies, your DNA, your cellular structures have been taking it on. We have talked about shifts in your body and symptoms that you have been experiencing through those shifts. You have been learning a lot about who you are, stepping into that more and more. You are drawn to videos like this because you know there is more to you than just what you look at in the mirror, right? Just what you experience in your third dimension. There is so much more to you, and you're starting to wake up to that, or you are fully engulfing yourself into that awakening. And so you are ready for things to get even more exciting. And as we look at this with you, as we come into this integration with you, as we try and expand this humanity together, we applaud you for all the hard work that you do. We are excited to be here with you always. And there are many, many more of you coming into your connections to the communities that are above you right now. We talked about the motherships and the ships that are collecting around the planet right now. Many of you have been asking about the drones that have been spotted, as they're calling them drones. We find that amusing, actually. Yes, that is a lot of UFO activity, if you will. Not all of it. Some of it is man-made, but you will know when you are looking at it, you will be able to tell the difference between what part of this is human created and what part of this is off planet. You'll be able to tell. You ask us, but we ask you. We ask you to tune into it because we don't know what video you're watching, what particular craft you are speaking of. But we will say that there has been an influx of UFO sightings for a reason. And it is acclimating humanity to normalize the idea of the craft, to normalize the idea of extraterrestrial beings interacting with humankind in a very loving, kind way. It is to build trust with humankind that we are not a threat and that we are here to, in fact, enhance humanity through technology, through kindness, through love, through skills, through advancement. More and more people will want to know how to interact with this, and it will bring more enlightenment. It is helping people to let go of the old constructs, the old belief systems. Truths are coming out. Truths are coming out. Truths are coming out. We talk about this. These are not the first videos that we have spoken on these subjects, but we will bring it to you again, as it is right here, right now, in this moment, part of your reality. We have mentioned before that the ships would be spotted, that this was a big year for aircraft UFO aircraft to be entering into your atmosphere. And many, many people would be spotting it, and that it would not be able to be hidden any longer. It cannot be played off any longer. It is happening around the world. It is everywhere. And it will continue to be everywhere. And you will see more and more of it. It is a fantastic time to embrace these changes that are happening, to help others to understand it. We have been asking and preparing humanity for a while now, asking and telling you there is a new wave of energy coming in. You are being acclimated to it. You are getting ready for it. We have done workshops with this. We are, again, asking for humanity to step up. Those of you who came here as light workers, those who are drawn to these videos and others like it, you are being activated to help the others in humanity who are not quite where you are yet, to help them to feel safe in this environment that is going on right now, to help them understand that there is help all around, benevolent beings here. They are here, they are helping to help them understand also that they are connected to this and that they can also interact. You can also interact. So when Tracie is being asked about the drones, can you get Daniel to talk about the drones? We say you already have the information, but we can give you the confirmation if you like. You already knew this answer. You already know. You are part of it. You are part of the infrastructure that created this, what is going on right now. You all sit on councils when you are not in your body, right? When you are in your sleep states, when you are doing out-of-body work, you all sit on councils, and we have all come up with this plan together, if you will. And so you already know. You were just looking for confirmation, and we are here to give it to you. And we say, use your discernment with that. Use your intellect with that. Use your intuition. When you see videos, when you see others that are posting their experiences, you will know if that is a real experience, if that is a fabricated experience, or if that is something that is man-made, that is being brought to you as if it is anything else. And so this is where we ask all of you to step up and to start using your intuitive thoughts around this. How do you feel when you see it? What do you think is happening? What is going on for you in these moments? Because what is going on for you is actually more important than anything. This is a time for us to pull together, to bring everything that we have learned, everything that has been brought to you at this time in this world, in this life. It's time for you to apply it. It's time for you to step into your faith. It's time for you to step into the assistance and holding the frequency of the higher realms, the frequency of joy, love, happiness, the frequency of feeling safe, the frequencies that are bringing humanity into the new earth, into the 5D. And so as all of you are integrating these energies, you have been prepared for them. You have been prepared for them. That's how come you are here right now. That's why you are listening right now, because you have been prepared for them. It doesn't matter if you are a new listener or somebody that has been here all along. If you are here right now, it means that you have been prepared energetically, vibrationally, intellectually. You have been prepared. You are ready for this. You are ready for things to change. And yes, for some that could feel turbulent. And for others, it feels absolutely magical. And we want you all to be in the magic of it. We are heading into new times, a new time for humanity, a new time for history. Never before in history has it been like this. You have seen in your history where extraterrestrial beings have come to your planet before, but never like this. Never like this has it happened, because there is so much more information now. And because of this information and because of the volume of awakened volunteers or starseed beings on this planet, the ones that are understanding more about who they are, this is the first time humanity has been in this place of understanding. And so it has never happened like this before. And it is going into some glorious changes that have been called on by humanity for we don't even know how long. It has been quite some time, and it has been important for it to manifest and create. For some of you, you have been calling on this your whole lives, or for a good portion of your lives, and you are now standing in these moments where it is actually happening. Everything that you have been asking for is now happening. It is coming to you now in real time. You are caught up to it. It is here. So we say to you, expand in joy when you see interaction, when you see movement in the sky, when you are part of a collective that is witnessing something magnificent. Be in joy, be excited. And we say again, hold that high frequency, hold it over your government, hold it over your leaders of this world, the high frequencies. Be in a love frequency, call in the highest outcome for everyone, call in the leaders holding space for humanity and the highest outcome. You call it all in for your beautiful world. Activating the grids of the planet, activating the collective consciousness, activating Mother Earth and her beautiful ley lines and crystal grids and activation points, the vortexes. We've talked about so many things with all of you. It's all coming together now. Feel it all come together. And there's still more to come, and we're excited. As we are on this journey with you, we are very excited for this time. But in everything that we ever do, what we always encourage for you, one, use your discernment, trust yourselves over anyone else. And two, find your joy, fall in love with your life, create your reality, and be in joy and bliss for your life. Those are the important things moving into New Earth. Find your joy. And with that, dear ones, we will go ahead and wrap this up with you. We thank you so much for being here with us. We thank you so much for allowing us to bring these transmissions through. We want to also, again, applaud all of you for your hard work and for everything you have done to get this planet to this place right now where you are in the transition. We thank you so much. And with great love and adoration, we will bring Tracie back for you now. Okay. All right. Well, I know that we have touched on that subject before with the drones, so that was kind of cool to go into it again. And it is important, I think, for all of us to use that discernment. I actually don't watch the news and I don't click on a lot of things, so I don't know really what's out there for footage on these drones, but I know that I've heard a lot of chatter about it. So again, if you're watching something, if it feels real to you, then go with that. We don't have to question everything. It's did it make you feel good? Did it excite you? Did it, how are you responding to it? Or are you looking at something going, that's not real. That's something man-made, whatever. Trust what's coming in for you. This is what it's all about, you guys. It's about everybody trusting and following their own intuition, following their hearts. And we're all doing this. We are all getting this information. So let's share it with each other and let's keep expanding this world into the new earth. All right, you guys, don't forget to click like. Please, please, please click like. And your comments down below. I love to see your comments and your sharing. Thank you so much for those who are doing that. And thank you to all the new people here. If you are new and you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and the little bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Thank you, guys. Share this with anyone that you feel might benefit from hearing it. All right. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.